How to blur video background in CapCut. Open a CapCut and select a preferred video. I have a stock video right here. Then once you are here, go ahead and select the option of effect at the bottom of your screen and tap on video effects. Then tap on opening and closing tab. Here you have to select a blur. I'm choosing oblique blur. You can adjust the blur strength and then tap on the tick mark right here. Now, drag the effect till the end of this video. Once it is done, now what next is you have to go ahead and tap on this overlay option. Then tap on add overlay. Go and select the same video without the blur. Then tap on add. Zoom in the second overlay video a little bit than the original one. Also make sure that the overlay video is dragged till the end of the first video. Now once it is confirmed, go ahead and head back from here. Select the overlay video and choose cut out and tap on remove background. Now wait until the video is generated by removing the background. So as you can see, the generation is now stopped. If you give it a play, it's gonna look something like this. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.